క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి సార్ లాస్ట్లో. Hello, good morning students. So in previous class we completed progressions. Now we are going to discuss about polynomials. It's a very important task in 10th SSC. Because in this chapter there will be one 2 marks question and 4 marks question and one 4 marks for graph. So total 10 marks. If there are any bits, 2 will be shown. That means 1 mark. So you will get 11 marks from this chapter. It's a very important chapter. So polynomials. Polynomial means first monomial. Monomial means a single term with variable. Suppose 7x 4y square 9z cube. So these are single terms. So these are called mono. Mono means emperor. So monomial. Next, binomial. So 2 terms. In between the 2 terms there will be a plus or minus. So the terms are called binomials. 7x plus 4y square. 4y square minus 9z cube. So in these polynomials, these are having 2 terms. So these are called binomial. Trinomial. Trinomial means having 3 terms. 7x plus 4y square minus 9z cube. This is a trinomial. 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, here 7 is the coefficient of x. Y square coefficient is 4. Z cube coefficient is 9. In front of variable, the constant term is called coefficient. Suppose 9 x power 4 plus 7 z power 9. So in this z power 9 coefficient is 7, x power 4 coefficient is 9. Suppose minus 7 x power 4. Now x power 4 coefficient is minus 7. Okay. This is the coefficient of x power 4. Coefficient E means which is multiplying the variable. Variable means x, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h. So these are variables. Alphabets a, b, c, d, e, f. So these are named by Heinrich Abel. So Abel variable. Abel, Hendrik Abel given the name these alphabets as variable. Able. Okay. Now polynomial. And algebraic expression in which the variable have only non-negative power integers is called polynomial. An algebraic expression have only in which the variable an algebraic expression in which the variable have only non-negative power integer is called a polynomial. Suppose 7x power 4 plus 9x cube minus 6x square plus 4z square, this is called a polynomial because all the powers having positive integers plus 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 plus. Okay, now degree of polynomial. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a polynomial. Degree is 2. 7x plus 3, it is a polynomial. All monomials and binomials and trinomials, all the algebraic expressions are called polynomials. 7x plus 3, it is a binomial and also called a polynomial. X coefficient is 7, its degree is 1. So whose degree is 1, such type of equations are called linear equations. In this expression we are having degree 2. This is also called quadratic equation and whose degree is 2. So 7x square plus 9x cube plus 3x square, if we add these two, it will become 10x square plus 9x cube. Here degree is 3, highest exponent value is 3, here degree is 3. It is not a quadratic equation, it is just a polynomial because whose powers are positive integers. So this is only polynomial, it is not a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means whose degree must be 2. Okay. Next, 4x square plus 1 by x cube. Is it a polynomial or not? Suppose we can write 4x square plus we can write x cube, x to the power of minus 3. So it is having negative power. So it is not a polynomial. 1 by x plus y. This is also not a polynomial. Okay. Next, 1 by root x plus root z. It is also not a polynomial. Okay. What is the degree of root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1? What is the degree of polynomial here? Means 2. The coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. What is the x cube coefficient? What is the x cube coefficient here? 3. So 3 is the x cube coefficient. Next, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Is it a polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means whose degree must be 2. Is it a quadratic polynomial? No. Why? Means if you take as it is as a numerator, it will become x square minus 5x plus 6 whole to the power of minus 1. So we will get here power is minus, that means negative integer. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. Next, if p of x is equal to x cube minus 1, find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0. First we have to find p of x is equal to x cube minus 1. We have to find p of 1. What is the value 1? If you substitute instead of x 1, it will become 1 cube. Instead of x you substitute 1. 1 cube minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Suppose p of minus 1. Instead of x you substitute minus 1 whole cube minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole cube will become minus 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 1, minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. What is the value of p of 0? 0 cube minus 1. Instead of x you substitute 0, 0 cube will become 0, minus 1. So answer is minus 1. So p of 1 value is 0, p of minus 1 value is minus 2, p of 0 is minus 1. Okay. So this is half mark or 1 mark question. So very important. So p of 2, you substitute p of 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 1, that is equal to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Suppose p of minus 2, minus 2 whole cube. So power is odd number. So power is odd number. Answer will be minus 8 minus 1, that is equal to minus 9. So this is the very important question for bits or 1 mark question. Next, 0 of the polynomial. It's also very important one. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means, suppose if you take a linear equation, p of x is equal to 5x minus 1. So the total linear equation, that means polynomial will become 0 if we substitute instead of x any value. So we have to find the value of x. If you substitute x instead of x, that one, it will become 0. Suppose if you substitute 1, 5 minus 5 into 1, 5 minus 1, 5 into 1 minus 1, 5 and 5 minus 1, that will become 4. It is not 0. So 0 of the polynomial 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 5. That means if we substitute instead of x 1 by 5, it will become 0. Let's do it. 5 into, instead of x you substitute 1 by 5 minus 1. 5x minus 1. 5 into 1 by 5 minus 1. 5 cancel, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So only x value is 1 by 5, then only the polynomial will become 0. So it is the 0 of the polynomial of this equation. Okay. Next, suppose p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to plus 1 will become minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. If you substitute minus 1 by 3 in this equation, it will become 0. Let's check it. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. So instead of x, if you substitute any value, it doesn't become 0. Only in the case of minus 1 by 3, it will become 0. So minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of 3x plus 1. Okay. Suppose 9x minus 2. Find the 0 of this polynomial. 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is the 0 of 9x minus 2. Suppose 9x plus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 9. Here is minus 2 plus 2 by 9. Here is minus value, it will become plus 2 by 9. Here is plus value, it will become minus 2 by 9. Suppose 3x minus 4. Answer is 4 by 3. 4x minus 5. 5 by 4. Suppose 6x plus 7. Minus 7 by 6. Plus 7 will become minus 7. Into 6 will become divided by 6. So minus 4 will become plus 4 and into 3 will become by 3. Divided by 3. Okay. Now, what is the 0 of the polynomial 9x minus 5? 5 by 9. Minus 5 will become plus 5 and into 9 will become divided by 9. X minus 1. Simply x is 0 of the polynomial is 1. 3x plus 4. Answer is minus 4 plus 4 will become minus 4 by 3. 9x minus 2. 2 by 9. So this is also very important for bits. Next, check whether check minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. So check these two are the zeros of this equation or not. It's also very important question. Let p of x is equal to polynomial of x, x power 4 minus 16. If you substitute p of minus 2, minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 16, that is equal to minus 2 power 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4 times of minus 2. It will become plus 16. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Or power 4, it is a even number. So answer must be plus 16 minus 16. That is equal to 0. So we are substituting minus 2 instead of x, we are getting 0. So minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Let's check f of p of minus 2. 2 power 4 minus 16. So 2 power 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 4 times of 2, 16 minus 16. Yes. Minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of p of x, polynomial of x. Check 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Now p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Substitute p of 3. 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 3 square means 9, minus 3 minus 6 means 9. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 cancel. Now go to p of minus 2. Minus 2 square, instead of x you substitute minus 2. Minus of minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. Even number power. So answer will be plus 4. Minus into minus. Plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6. That is equal to 0. Yes. 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of okay 3.1. That means one exercise is completed. So tomorrow we'll go to 3.2. Okay, bye students.